Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. And yes, it is monthly knife club box time. Even after it appeared to disappear into the ether with the tracking, here it is. It made it. So, now I don't know, something else you might notice is, see how this doesn't look all ripped up? And because they have very sticky labels and I try to peel them off so, you know, my information isn't just hanging out there. And it usually buggers up the box. But it came wrapped in this time. So, very cool. Does make presentation a little bit nicer. But monthly knife club box, ultimate knife club name brand box. It is the highest level of the name brand knife level. Runs in at $189 plus shipping. And it's only taped on one side again, but hey, it came in that package, so, okay, that's all right. Now I'm wondering, I'm opening the box if you can't tell. You know, I've mentioned that on my videos a few times about, you know, how it just kind of tears up there we go. It kind of tears it up, taking that label off, just because, you know what, like I said, I don't want my personal information out there. Oh, come open, will you? Struggle plus is real. There we go. I guess I missed that corner. But, oh, dang. All right. Okay. But, there you go. Monthly knife club for February. Very cool. Looks, oh, we got some interesting stuff in here. So, the ultimate knife plan. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is our sticker. We always have to check out our sticker. Oh, a little risque this. I mean, not really. I mean, anime type sticker. Very cool. She's got herself a knife there. Awesome. Okay. Very, very interesting sticker. I personally don't really watch anime. For those of you that do, you might like it. So, first item. We have the UST Tinder utility cord. Very cool, 550 paracord. Built-in tinder strand, that's nice. Now, I haven't used any of the UST paracord before, but it does have a little carabiner on it as well. That's always nice. And a value of $8.99, that's pretty much standard for a 100-foot hank. I'm guessing it's 100 feet. Does it say? I don't know. Probably it might be only 50. But paracord, very useful. I used to do a lot of stuff with paracord. But it doesn't, but I tell you what, I've had some stuff outside for a few years now, and it almost looks brand new. It doesn't get wet. I mean, here in the Pacific Northwest, it rains all the time. Holds very well. So the next item in our box, like I said, $9, $8.99, $9. And the sticker, as always, $5 value is free. So next we have an Olight i3E EOS, the Stars and Stripes editions, 90 lumens. These are always good. I love these because I put them in my giveaway boxes, so on and so forth. I mean, I have several of my own, but like I said, that's one of the things about these boxes is it gives me cool stuff to put in my giveaway boxes for the live stream, you know. And both of these will more than likely end up in one, but $12.99, $13 for that. So the next item in our box is Outdoor Element Firebiner. We have seen these before on the channel, probably in a different box, maybe in a monthly knife club. This is the Blue Element, so what it says. Everspark Fire Starter, Utility Blade, Bottle Opener, and Screwdriver. $17 value. There is your replacement ferro rod. Very cool. But you got here's your carabiner aspect. Let's look on the back. And what does it say? It has your Everspark Fire Wheel, Safety Utility Blade, Flathead Screwdriver, hang slot, hang keys, gear, okay. Bottle opener, it's lightweight. I was like, lightweight, what kind of tool is that? But anyway, very cool. It tells you how you can put your ever spark in there. Does it? Are we sparking? The spark. Oh yeah, we're sparking. Cool. Do we light the paper on fire? We left smoke anyway. Cool. So yeah, it lights. There you go. Very cool. All right. That, again, most likely will probably end up in a giveaway as well. But that's fine. That's why I like them. So, we have 2 items left in the box. Now, they've definitely changed the box because, you know, back when we were getting a little bit of everything, you know, they said this box contained 8 to 14 items. Well, it definitely doesn't do that anymore. But the value has always still been there. So, the first knife we're going to see is a Tenable. The Tenable Entity. We have definitely seen one of these on the channel before. Very cool. It's got the sticky thing. There we go. There, open. Of course, we've got our cleaning cloth. Open it up. There we go. Gotta fight with it sometimes. The Entity is a knife that I like quite a bit. Let's see, 14C 28N stainless steel, black aluminum handle, ceramic bearings in the pivot, button lock, $79 for the Entity. It definitely is a button lock. Yeah, we have seen this one on the channel before. Ooh, that's got a nice sound. Listen. That's got a nice sound. Button stick. Do we have button stick? No. Jumps out there really nice. No stick at all. Like that. You know, sometimes with those coated blades, you do get that, but no. Not with the Entity. Very nice. It's nice. It is very comfortable in hand. The jimping, it's not bad on that coated blade. There's not very much of it. It definitely could be extended out a little bit. Nice choil overall. I do like the Entity. It's a good knife. Very good knife. So, man, I'm going to have to broaden our horizons here a little bit. Move everything up. And get ready for our final, which is usually our premium knife, or ultimate knife, as we may talk about, and it is a WE. It's a WE knife. So, WE Knife, the WE Knife Co. Speedster. Trying to, all right, is that going to slide off? It's got the sleeve on it, which is, I don't really want to rip it. I think I'm going to have to rip it. Well, that's kind of a bummer. Yeah, I'm just going to have to peel it off because it didn't want to slide off. I don't know if it's glued on or what, but well, that's kind of a bummer. Well, we don't have that anymore. Now we just have our box. CPM 20 CV, stainless steel, anodized titanium handle, ceramic pivot, ceramic bearings in the pivot, and it is a frame lock. Value of this one, and of course you get all the goodies in the box. You get a cleaning cloth, you get some stickers, and comes in a nice zipper pouch. Value of this is $202 to $270, depending on, there's several versions of it. Ooh, okay, let's look at this. That's nice. You've got, oh, looky there. Open construction. I'm guessing that's a titanium clip. Centering is nice. Ooh, jumps it. I like the looks of that. Oh, yeah. I definitely like the look of that. You guys know I like that kind of straight, plain drop point. You got a nice fuller there. Can I? Oh, I can. Yeah, buddy. I can reverse flick off the... It kind of looks like a long pull. I guess on this one it may be called a fuller because it's not a traditional slip joint. That's nice. I really like how that anodization is done. That's pretty cool. Trying to catch that light. Very nice. Let's see. In hand. It's pretty comfortable. I can feel that clip a little bit, but ooh, I think we might be getting a full review on this one. Like I said, we've seen the Entity not very long ago on the channel from Tenable. Frame lock, nice. Little shake shut. That is a nice knife. I'll have to double check. So, like I said, I paid, now I'm grandfathered in, the price I gave you at the beginning of the video, the $189, that is the price. I am still grandfathered, so my total price with shipping is $176. Even though with shipping probably $200 for the new price, this Speedster covers the price of the box. Everything else is just extra. So, as I always say, the value in these boxes are there. You know, I will also always say that if not being able to pick a knife you want, well, then it's probably not for you. You know, there's some good things, there's pros, there's cons, just like in everything else. I really like it. I like the fun aspect of not knowing what I'm getting and kind of being surprised. Now, in this box, you know, like I said, I review these knives. Now, we've just seen the Entity on the channel, so that I'm not going to re-review the Entity, but it will definitely be a knife since I pay for these boxes. These boxes are not provided for me. I could turn around and I could maybe sell it. And guys, when I say sell it, I mean cheap. Well below what you're going to get it pretty much anywhere else. And then in the case of the Speedster, you know, that's a knife I can review. Who knows, some of these premium knives end up getting given away in my channel members only giveaways every month. Sometimes they get sold. It all depends. So, very cool. I think it's a very cool box this month. You know, the value, again, is there. This is drop number 129. This is the 129th box they've sent out. So they've been doing it for a little while. I think that's a little over a box a month. If they started with drop 1, that's a little over 10 years. Monthly Knife Club has been doing this. So very cool. Awesome. I'm glad it arrived. Like I said, if you're still hanging around and watching, I just talked on my midweek live stream about the last update I got was on the 18th of February, and it just said delay. Delay. Great. Awesome. And then the next day it updated with, you know, due to weather, your package will arrive a day late. Okay. All right. Coming from Texas, I believe it was. Okay. Guess they had some bad weather in Texas. Then it didn't update at all. And as I'm reviewing this a couple of days before you're going to see it. But last night, I was logged into my monthly knife club, which was the 25th. I was logged into my monthly knife club account. I was getting ready to send them an email saying, hey, you know, this package hasn't updated for a week. Is there anything you can do on your end? And I was like, okay, before I send this message, I'm going to check the tracking one more time. And sure enough, it hadn't updated earlier in the day, but like 10 o'clock Pacific time, it had finally updated saying, hey, it's going to be delivered tomorrow. I'm like, okay. So I don't remember when my original delivery date was supposed to be, but, you know, a week-ish is about as long as they take to get here, UPS ground. So, but very cool. Awesome. I think it's a good box this month. I like the fact that they started using that, you know, the flimsy packaging on the outside of the box and putting the label on that. Makes the presentation for the videos just a little bit better, even though you only see it for, you know, a minute or so. But anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Greatly appreciate you stopping by and seeing what Monthly Knife Club had to offer us this month. Stay tuned for March. Yes, we're going to keep going. I haven't decided to stop yet, so who knows? Maybe someday. We'll see. But until then, I'll see you next month for the next month, March. March, that's the next month. Wow, it's a couple of days. The March monthly Knife Club box. Have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.